Okay, everybody, welcome back to Nicole House to Home. And what we are about to do is Nicole Tablescape. So this little table mat came from Amazon. And this is a dupe that Z Gallery have, but it also came from Amazon. This is a Dollar Tree plate, and if you haven't noticed, my theme is gonna be white, gold, and red. This is a napkin. It is red. It also came from Amazon. These are the Pier 1 penguins, excuse me. Pier 1 penguins. So I'm going to show you guys all four of them on this table setting. So that is the second Pier 1 penguin plate. So cute. Cute, cute. This is the third Pier 1 penguin plate. And I am in love with him. He is looking up, and then you seen one that was looking down, and then you seen the other one. This is the fourth Pier 1 penguin plate, and I just adore him. Okay, I was gonna top him off like this, and then I went to Z Gallery and I found some penguins. So I don't know if I'm gonna top it off like that, where the penguin is in the inside of the dessert cup, or am I gonna top it off where the penguin's just standing there like that. So you guys, you'll see when I get to the table. Let's get started on the table. So first I'm going to show you how the table looked for Thanksgiving, which you guys should have already have seen. But, you know, in case you didn't, I'm just going to show you my Thanksgiving tablescape, and then we're going to roll it on into Christmas. Let's go, you guys. Okay, you guys, let's see how we transform this Thanksgiving tablescape into my Christmas tablescape. Okay, the table has been cleared, and this is the start of the Christmas tablescape. This is just a mesh gold piece of fabric, and then I'm going to take this fabric here and put it down the center of it. And that is how this is looking. So cute, cute, cute. So I have this pretty little box that I want to show you guys. So this is my poinsettia box that I made myself. All these things here came from Walmart a couple of years back when I did a red and white tablescape. And this year I'm doing, well, these was on the tree, but now I'm putting them on the table. I just thought this thing, I made this myself. It's so cute, and yeah, I'm quite sure it should look store-bought, but me personally, I made it myself. So that's my poinsettia box. Okay, now here is the bears that came from the gallery, and this one gonna have to go up a little bit so I can put my table mats and stuff on there. But I just tie a ribbon around their neck so they can look just a little bit more festive. So that's how they would look. Okay, and here is the table mats. If you see little sparkles on my table, that is the fallout from that glitter. This table mat ain't gonna be put down because it's already together. Okay, let me just give a complaint, because I thought these things were gonna be a little bit bigger than they are, but they wasn't. I'm not keen on this. I might change it and I might just let it stay, because I want it to be a little bit bigger than the chargers, but this is how we looking. Let's go with the chargers. The chargers are up next. Okay, here's my charger placemats, and let me tell y'all how I work. Okay, even if I'm gonna do like a Z Gallery dupe or dupe or anything, I try to at least buy something from that store so I can show them homage. So I bought him from Z Gallery. Oh, you don't even see the ticket. I think the ticket is on the other one. I bought him from Z Gallery. So there go the Z Gallery sign, just to pay Z Gallery homage, because this is a Z Gallery dupe here. Okay, that's how I work. So let's go to the plates. The plates are going to be from Dollar Tree, as I told y'all earlier in the video. Okay, my plates are from Dollar Tree. I think I said that before, but they are all kinds of white. This one is like a off-white. That one look gray. That one look like a country white. So yeah, let's go. So here is my napkins. Here, they lighter than the poinsettias. They lighter than the bows and him, but let's just say we're going with all different color red today. Okay. Okay, the next will be the plates. Okay, we just took the penguins that we had from Pier 1 and put them on the table. So these two match up with those two down there. Okay. So these bowls are from Pottery Barn, and I got those last year or the year before. Okay, these are the Z Gallery penguins, and last year they had the gold ones, but this year I couldn't find them nowhere, so we just went with the silver ones. These are the ones that represent, like, I can't hear you, I can't see you, I'm not gonna talk to you. So yeah, last year they did have the silver ones, but this year I just couldn't find the silver ones anywhere. I bet y'all say, why you missed the bears with the... Okay, so the thing cut off on me, but I know y'all was saying why I missed my penguins with my bears, because this was a setup in my head ever since last year. So I didn't know everybody was gonna go so traditional this year, but my thoughts on last year was to go traditional this year. So yeah, it was a thought in my head, and I bought the bears thinking they was going to be smaller, because at first I was going to do the bears on top of the plates. I was going to try to find me some bears, some plates with some bears on it, but I end up winding up buying the bigger bears instead of the little ones. So you're going to see those scattered around the house. You already seen a set of 2 that was on my console table. Then it's going to be 2 on my coffee table. And then it's going to be 2 on my dining room table. So yes, this is how everything is looking. This is the whole setup for now. What I need to do is put my fork, spoon, knives, and I'm going back with the same cups that was on the table. So let's get into that. Okay, so there's the glasses on the table. Okay, the knives, spoons, and forks and the inside of the table are silver. They came from QVC. It was like $150 set. So you got so many knives, so many forks, so many butter knives, so many serving tray, dishes, and serving silverware pieces and everything. Okay, these are the gold ones that I got probably from Maxwell or somewhere. But they had a set of 16 in there. So they have 4 forks, 4 spoons, 4 butter knives. So at the top of the table, the gold is coming out. In the middle of the table, the silver is coming out to match the silver. I went blank, but you know he is a penguin. So let me show you this setup, how it's looking. If you just stand over it and you be like, oh, okay, that is nice. You will see a hint of the silver, a hint of the gold, a hint of the white, silver, and then the red. And then, that's not showing too much, but I'm happy that you can see just a little bit of it. I couldn't find, at this time, I'm still on the hunt to find a salt and pepper shaker, whether it's a penguin or a bear. I want him to be white or silver or gold. It don't matter to me, but I don't want him to be like the different colors. Like I found penguin salt and pepper shakers, but they was black and white. And then I found one that had like they was penguins, they was white, but they had on scarves. I don't know, it might match my decor, but I really don't know. But yeah, that's that. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna let y'all take one last look at this table.